Well, LA is a melting pot of so many cultures, and it's home to the largest community of the Iranian diaspora. And nothing brings together all cultures like food.
Yes, and I'm smelling all the amazing smells. To mark Immigrant Heritage Month, BITA, like Madonna, you go by Chef BITA is here joining us. She's an Angelina of 35 years and counting, and you're here to show us some dishes that connect really us all together.
Yes, thank you so much for having me on. Yes, Immigrant Heritage Month is very special to me. I've always wanted to use this month, especially going to the summer month, talking about the unity through food.
Yeah.
And we've got some goodies here today that really interlink all these different, cultures that we have in Southern California, and specifically with the Persian twist. So today we're making a cold soup going into the summer months.
Okay.
And with my passion with cooking has always been, how do we bring everybody together through food? And some of these elements here are so simple. All the ingredients are very simple. Everybody has them in their homes or uses them in their homes. If you're plant-based, you may use the plant-based yogurt, but essentially everything we have here, we have it at home. So you want to swap.
And it's all nutritious too.
Yes.
It's all fresh produce, nutritious.
So we're going to start off, Rudabeh, you're going to make Doogh Khiar, which is a cold soup, like a gazpacho. And it's full of nutrients because you've got the probiotics through yogurt. So you want to start putting your yogurt in. And then we're going to mix in some water so that we can turn it into a soup. And then it'll have walnuts we have soaked up overnight. It will have fresh dill. It will have currants, and we're gonna at the end add in some of these crackers. You can use gluten-free crackers if you're gluten-free, and you are going to make salad Shirazi, which is right over here. It's the easiest salad. We probably see it everywhere.
Is she? Yeah, I know. I'm worried you're putting too much in. Is that
You can also add in a little bit of lebne because you want it to be a little bit thick. You can start adding your salad Shirazi base. Shiraz is a beautiful city. Yes, you can mix your Persian cucumbers chopped up, and some Persian, and some also chopped up tomatoes. We're gonna want to have one of these beauties at the end.
I cannot wait.
And I'm gonna give you some
Okay, tell me how much.
We want it just enough so that you can make it into a thick texture, like that one over there. You can give a little bit more. Yes, perfect.
And I'm making a salad, right? So it's cold soup and salad.
Yes. These
That's
are
what
all
we like for
easy
summer.
stuff that for summer they're filling. And I know salad Shirazi looks very familiar to all because we see it in different cultures in the Mediterranean region, in the Middle East. We use it, but we want to believe that it's originally from Iran, Shiraz.
It is originally from Shiraz.
And Shiraz is also a beautiful. And you can also add in some of your fresh herbs. We've got mint and basil over there.
This smells amazing.
And then your dressing over here is sour grape juice, which we have the sour grapes right here. They're in season right now.
Ooh, so I put this in?
Yes, with olive oil and salt and pepper. It's just
I think I need more water.
That's all it is.
And you can also add to your salad some
onion?
You can add some onion, chives.
Throw a little bit in there.
Yes, and then also some dried mint.
Oh, dried mint.
And of course, salt and pepper to your taste.
Beautiful, Jamie.
So well done. Now you need to add in some cucumber. Rudabeh Jamie, you need to add some cucumber to your Doogh Khiar. Doogh Khiar literally translates to water, Doogh or moist yogurt.
I'm already done, so I'm going to eat.
And Khiar is done yet.
Yes, I am.
These girls. Khiar is a cucumber. Okay, you got your Khiar in. Now you want to add in your.
Do I need more?
No, you're good.
Really
some walnuts.
Why is this so important, food and culture and connecting it all together?
I think now more than ever, with all that's going on, we will realize that once we bring people from different backgrounds, different beliefs, different social classes, we all bring them together through food, everything somehow comes together, and we end up having a better understanding of one another. We connect better with each other, and I mean, come on, food is the one that brings us all together.
Break bread together.
Yes, that's what I was thinking. Like all the amazing conversations that can happen around a table, right?
Exactly.
Okay.
Look at that. This is like a full meal. Did you get your walnuts in there? Yes, you did.
I did.
And
I
then
stirred those already.
Rudabeh.
Mix that up a little bit. How do you like your salad? Did you put some salt and pepper?
I'm loving my salad. I actually don't need it because there was salt and pepper in the
Oh, that's right. I put some in the dressing. And then pepper to taste. And then you don't want to forget the rose petals.
That's so beautiful. Yeah.
This is the same petals that they make the rose water from, which is also from Iran.
Ta-da! It looks just like yours.
Exactly. And you want some of your crackers in there too. Now that's a full meal.
Yes.
It is, absolutely.
Some of them look better than others.
Well, BITA, here's my salad.
Good job.
There's Rudabeh soup.
That one instead.
I'm telling you.
This is the before and after.
If you guys make this Doogh Khiar during summer months,
it'll be a hit.
It will be a hit, and I know you get your probiotics in, and it's a very soothing dish. You made it a little bit thicker. You can make it thinner if you want, and enjoy it.
Happy Immigrant Heritage Month.
There you go.
BITA, thank you.
Thank you.